Welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for July 23, 2023. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, the sun rises at 5:36 a.m. Central Daylight Time, followed by sunset at 8:18 p.m. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky, two bright planets, Jupiter and Saturn, are easily seen this morning before daybreak. Bright Jupiter is over halfway up in the east-southeast an hour before sunup. The Jovian giant is slowly moving eastward in front of Aries, 12.1 degrees below the constellation's brightest star, Hammel, and 11.5 degrees to the upper left of Menkar, Cetus' brightest star. At this hour, Saturn is farther westward, nearly 35 degrees above the south-southwest horizon. It is distinctly dimmer than Jupiter, but brighter than most of the other stars in the sky this morning. The ringed wonder is retrograding in front of Aquarius, 7.2 degrees to the upper right of Skate, meaning the leg, and 5.8 degrees to the lower right of Lambda Aquarii. See the article for a detailed star map. Across several mornings, watch Saturn slowly move westward. With the intrusive presence of outdoor lighting in cities and surrounding suburbs, Aquarius dimmer stars cannot be seen without a binocular. Similarly, Uranus, at the edge of human eyesight, is washed out by the lights. It is approximately between Jupiter and the Pleiades star cluster. When the moon moves through the region again, directions will be provided to see it. Neptune is too dim for unaided human eyes in any setting, so a binocular is needed to see it as an aquamarine star, and a telescope with modest magnifications is required to see a tiny globe. In the sky, this distant planet is about one-third of the way from Saturn to Jupiter. Pluto, the classic ninth planet, is just past opposition, low in the southwest at this hour. A larger aperture telescope, a very dark sky in a remote region, and a very detailed star map are needed to see it. This is not a casual observation, unlike spotting Jupiter in morning twilight. In the evening sky, the brilliant evening star is rapidly leaving the evening sky. It is easily visible in the bright blush of evening twilight, soon after sundown. The planet sets less than an hour after sunset, losing 3 to 4 minutes of setting time compared to the sun each evening. By 40 minutes after nightfall, Venus is very close to the horizon. It is bright enough to be seen without optical aid, but Mercury, 7.4 degrees to Venus right, and dim Mars, 10.8 degrees to the upper left, need the optical assist. As Venus disappears into brighter twilight, these planets, as well as the star Regulus, 4.5 degrees above the planet, become more difficult to locate without Venus presence. The evening crescent moon, 32% illuminated, is about 20 degrees up in the west-southwest, 2.0 degrees below Porrima, also known as Gamma Virginis, and 14.5 degrees to the right of Spica, Virgo's brightest star. Saturn rises in the east-southeast less than 100 minutes after sundown. It appears 3 to 4 minutes earlier each evening compared to the sun's setting time. By 3 hours after nightfall, the ringed wonder is nearly 15 degrees above the horizon. The planet activity in the western evening sky is quickly subsiding. Mercury reaches its greatest separation from the Sun on August 9. By then Mars sets 83 minutes after sunset, slowly slipping into bright evening twilight. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.